Hi, welcome to USAbased, an online marketplace for American-made products. In this video, we will review the registration process and get you started on your journey with us.
First up, let's get your foot in the door. To begin registration, go to USAbased.com and click on Sell with USAbased in the top right corner. From there, pick a category that describes you best. For our example, we will go with a manufacturer option. On the next screen, you will see more information about our platform and the Start Selling button. Feel free to read the information provided, and once you're ready, click Start Selling. This will take you to the login registration page. Once you're there, switch over to Register tab and select I am a vendor option. From here, all you need to do is enter your information, like your name, last name, name of your business, and a phone number. Filled out, it should look like this. Once filled out, check Terms and Conditions box and click on Register. On next screen, you can enter more details about your store and payment information, but we will skip this for now. This will take you to the dashboard, the main cabinet of your store. With next couple of clicks, you will unlock the first free benefit of registering with us, improving the SEO of your website. All you need to do is go to Settings and scroll down to Website section right here. Insert a link to your website. Doing this will create a backlink to your website, improving its credibility, search engine rankings, and driving organic traffic. In short, search engines love backlinks. Also in this step, you can add some information that we skipped a couple steps before, like your logo, address, and store description. Once done, click Update Settings, and your page is created. Next, Sales Kickstart. By adding one or multiple products to our catalog, you can enjoy commission-free transactions throughout 2024. This applies to all products added now and throughout 2024 as well, so feel free to add as many products as you like. And here's how it's done. Go to Products tab right below the dashboard. Click on Add New Product. Here you can upload an image, name, price, short description of your product. Don't worry, you can add significantly more details in our next step. Once product is added, it will appear in your Products tab. By clicking on a newly created product, you can open a full view and add as many details as you like. When you're done and find everything to your liking, click Save Product. Your product page should be done and look something like this. To sum up, now you know how to register your account and add products to your store. In next video, we will discuss how you can supercharge your brand with our exclusive United Journeys program. Looking forward to seeing you there, and have a great day.